Hey everyone, it's Melissa here to plan in my happy memory keeping planner. There has been a bit of a video hiatus. My best friend is getting married this week actually, and I've been helping her prepare. So as things are quieting down, I'll be posting a new plan with me pretty much every single day until I get caught up. Normally I post them every other day. So this week I decided to use one of these documented inserts that I got from Hobby Lobby. Saturday was a really fun day, so I decided to use it to add some more photos from a really fun day. I'm currently participating in the Happy Memory Keeping Photo a Day Challenge by the Happy Planner. So I took photos and I'm taking actually screenshots and grabs of them off of my Instagram story, and I'm going to go ahead and post them inside my memory planner so that I remember that I participated. I decided to put them all in a row. At the bottom row of my memory planner, I've put on there the prompt as well as a little caption as to why I took the photo. I've been working out far more regularly, so that's why I added some selfies of myself at the gym. It's been really good to break up a sweat, and I decided to use some more paper from this MAMBI kit that I have using the big box punch. I like to do that when I'm adding horizontal photos, either a sticker or a piece of paper, just to kind of ground the photo since it is in a different direction than what the boxes normally are. Wanted to add this quote that I got from the Dates and Holidays sticker book, and now that I've started to do a framework, I want to cover up some dates. If it's clear, obviously I'll erase them first, but I really enjoy the bright, colorful date stickers from the Dates and Holidays sticker pack. Now, I've been hoarding these floral stickers for quite some time now, and I knew I wanted to use them in pairs. Now, this spread is going to be very sticker filled. I don't know what's going on with me lately. I just keep wanting to fill up all of my memory keeping pages. Normally, I like to leave a bit of a white space, and then earlier in the beginning of the year, I was doing that. But especially since I'm taking lots of photos for the memory keeping challenge, I have a lot of photos, and that just really tends to not have a lot of white space. But I'm working on it, and hopefully next week I will be leaving a lot more empty spaces. To reward myself for going to the gym regularly, I got myself the fitness sticker books in the classic and in the mini. I've actually found that there's a lot of very useful stickers in there, even for memory planning. I really like that workout quote though, but it has things like breakfast, lunch, which will be good since I do tend to take a lot of photos of food. So I also got these stickers from the food sticker pack. I like how there's a little beer symbol since we were out on a brewery tour, and this knife and fork just to kind of denote the fact that I had a couple of friends over for dinner. I wanted to lean into the floral theme. You're going to see me using massive floral stickers, so that's why I wanted to use that washi. And I also wanted to differentiate the row of stickers just to show that they're part of the Happy Memory Keeping Challenge. Lately, I haven't been really using a lot of washi, so I'm trying to get back into using more washis inside my spread. I really like that Get a Little Bit Better every single day because it really talks about how going to the gym makes you feel better even though it's really hard to get there in the beginning. I love these massive florals from the seasonal sticker book. I've been hoarding them, but I do have a second book, so I think it's time to use it. And I like how that Love Life sticker matches the florals in the corner of the Happy Memory Keeping. So decided to cover up that bottom with a photo since I don't really need what I'm currently doing. I really just wanted a place to add some more fun photos from this brewery tour that we did that Saturday. So I also covered up the note pages with the weekend adventures, and I was going to list all the breweries that we ended up going to, but the camera got cut off, so you'll see it flash on your screen pretty shortly. If you like this video, please click like and don't forget to subscribe.